How to do it. Let me show you how to do it. Hi guys, so if you own a motorcycle and you are wondering how easy it is to wax it, in this video I'm going to be telling you everything about it, especially waxing or polishing the plastic part. So there have been videos out there that says that you can't really polish the plastic surfaces on the motorcycle, so in this video I'm going to be telling you the facts. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Hopefully I should get a chance to post that video pretty soon. But I made a video where I polished the tank. So this is my 2024 Harley Davidson Sportster S, and took it for a ride. I've been riding it like crazy, and it just got dirty, and it's very easy if you have a black one to get swirl marks and stuff like that. Also, my kid decided to sit on the tank with his jeans on and put some minor scratches all over the place. So decided to polish it, and it came out pretty nice. If you look at it from closely, and you're probably saying it's a brand new bike, but trust me, it had a lot of blemishes and a lot of scratches because of the way my son handled it. But after polishing it, everything went away. But this video is not about how to polish the tank. This is pretty much the same as any car because this is all metal. So the main thing in this video is about plastics, how you wax it, and I'll show you the products that I use to get a result like this. And the camera might not do justice, but trust me, it came out really nice, a lot nicer than I thought it would come out. So let me show you the product that I use. This is a compound. It's a polishing compound I used by Turtle Wax. You can get it from Amazon or any place that you want. This is the UPC code just in case if you want to scan it. So all I did was, I have this orbital. This is random orbital. So this is not something that will just rotate like freely. It kind of goes in a different pattern, so it prevents your paint to get damaged. So that's the key. You don't want to be using something that will just go straight. As you can see how it goes a little bit up and down. It's kind of hard to tell, but let me turn it on so you guys can see. So that pattern prevents the paint from getting burned out, and also it has a speed setting. So the best way to do it is start from speed 1, polish it, and then go all the way to 6, the highest speed. So what I did was apply some compound right there, kind of spread it by hand, and then I put some over here. Now I also sprayed this, with a speed shine. This is also by Grots, but you can get anything that lubricates the pad. The idea there is because if you have a new pad, they're probably very dry, and you don't want to be putting compound on a dry pad because it will damage the pad, and you don't want to be putting anything dry on your motorcycle. So spraying that with that a little bit, kind of saturates it, makes it wet, and then you apply the compound so it's nice and slippery on the surface. And then literally all I did was run the machine through all the plastic parts safely. I started with number 1, then I went all the way to number 6, and you can see the results. I mean, it came out really, really nice, and I still haven't buffed it off completely, as I was in the middle and I wanted to kind of thought about showing it to you guys because I was initially getting paranoid when I did the tank. I didn't want to touch this, but then I decided, hey, you know what, I'm just gonna give it a shot. Worst case though, so I tried it on this because my thought process was if it gets damaged, I can always replace the back part, right? But it did not. I mean, it came out really nice, so I decided to go around all the motorcycle, and it came out perfect. So very happy and glad that I proceeded with this method, and it kind of worked for me. So just wanted to share that with you. So for those who are telling you that you cannot polish plastic surface, painted surface on your motorcycle or car, that is in fact incorrect. And also, if you think about it, when they wax the cars, I mean, they polish the bumpers, right? And the bumpers are plastic, so the paint is the same. So you're basically waxing the clear coat on top, and the paint, and that's what you're polishing. And once you polish, it might leave a residue like this. Let it dry for a little bit, and then you can wipe it off. If you don't let it dry, it might not come off right away. It might leave blemishes, so it's better to just wait for it to dry out, and then you can just completely wipe it off. And you can see how nice it came out. All the scratches, little tiny scratches, roll marks, everything is gone. I also did it over here, let it dry, and there you can see how shiny it came, and all the swirl marks, everything is gone. This thing had a lot of swirl marks. I can't believe it. I'm just looking at the results right in front of you guys. This thing had a lot of marks. I wish I recorded that prior to making the video, but wow, everything is gone. It's like brand new. And again, camera might not do justice. This is an aftermarket part, so I'm not sure how well this is going to come out, because this was not as shiny as this one, since I bought this aftermarket. Well, let's see, this thing had a lot of swirl marks as well, but oh wow, this thing did clear up quite a bit. Wow. So this technique did work. Of course, it's not as shiny as the original paint, because it's not original genuine part, but still came out very nice. Because this thing had a lot of swirl marks from the drive, because this thing takes all that hit of the air pressure and stuff. So well, I'm pretty happy with the results. So I just need to do the back side of that because I only did the front part. So anyways, the point of this video is to show you guys that the polishing of plastic parts do work, and you can safely do it. I have done it for you guys to show it to you guys that it does work. And that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you liked the video. I'm going to leave a link in the description when I did the gas tank, so you guys can see that process as well. I had to cover some of the parts, so look out for the link in the description below. And guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video for more videos like this. Thank you.